Good afternoon. You've worked extremely hard to immigrate to the U.S. You've relocated your entire life. You've moved your spouse and your children and maybe even your parents. You've started a new job and learned about a new town and a new culture. You speak a new language. Today, we're going to talk about how to safeguard all the documents you have so carefully prepared and paid for. Now, I want you to dedicate a morning or afternoon to making copies of every single document that has to do with yours and your family's identity and immigration process. Make multiple copies of birth certificates, passports, green cards, employment authorization documents, letters of intent, employment offers, proof of residence, proof of education, medical records, and translations. Keep several sets of hard copies at home and leave another with a trusted friend, a relative, or in a safe deposit box at your bank. Safe deposit boxes are small metal boxes in bank vaults that are rented annually for approximately $100, depending on the size of the box. Scan the documents as well so that you have an electronic copies that you can access if needed. We hope that these documents will never be lost or stolen, but if they are, it will be far easier to replace them if you have copies. Each year, we get calls from people who have lost their documents when moving or to fires. Finally, if you have to send either original documents or photocopies through the mail for any reason, send them by registered certified mail. Registered mail gives you a tracking number that you can use to trace the package in case it doesn't arrive. Certified mail means that the post office will not release the package until someone signs for it, and they will have a record of who signs. Registered certified mail costs anywhere between $10 and $15, but it buys you peace of mind. In conclusion, immigration is a lot of work, and you don't want to have to repeat the process or lose any rights that you've gained. One way to protect your status is to make sure you do everything you can to safeguard the documents you have worked so hard to achieve. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out the links below. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.